I got PlayStation 5, and as you can see guys, the console's so dusty. As you can see guys, the customer tried to clean his console and he damaged the fan connector. He gave me all the parts, and in this video I will try to fix the fan connector and try to replace the liquid metal. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers. Don't forget to give me like and subscribe or follow. So first, let's open 11 screws. I already opened all screws, so let's take this metal plate. I will clean everything and I will back. As you can see guys, the heatsink and the console is clean. If you like to watch how I clean it, I have a lot of videos on my channel. So now we need to work on this area. Also we need to work on this and here. As you can see guys, I make a trace wire from these points. The connector is also ready to bag, so let's solder it. As you can see guys, the connector is excellent. Don't forget to clean the area. As you can see guys, it's like also here is excellent. So let's return all the parts back and let's return 1000 screws back. So it's time to test. The console is turned on. As you can see guys, the fan is fake. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know. If you want any repair service, please contact me.